So the easiest way to have nice hair is to use the right shampoo and conditioner. Retailing this to your clients is going to be the easiest way for you to get your average ticket sales up. Because guess what? Even if they don't style the hair, they are washing it 100%. Everybody needs a good shampoo. Everybody needs a conditioner. Even the short hair people, they all need conditioner. And it's to close down their cuticle after the shampoo just opened it. So it makes sense that they go together. The best way to sell your clients shampoo and conditioner is from the very moment that you start their consultation. Wash by far is the best shampoo out in the market because there are no harsh, astringent chemicals in there that are going to strip out your color, strip out all of the moisture that you want to keep in your hair. So the best way to use wash is to first scrub your scalp with some water like this. Make sure your hair is fully saturated. Because there is no astringent chemicals in there, there's nothing in there that's going to do all that heavy lifting in there, so you got to use your fingers. Wash actually has a coconut-based cleanser in it. So if you remember from grade 7 science class, oil lifts oil, and it's going to be the nicest and gentlest way to clean your hair. You can even shampoo your ends, and after you rinse out your shampoo, you're going to feel like you just conditioned it. So give your scalp a good scrub with water and then lather, rinse, repeat, just like everything else. The first cycle will lift the dirt, the second cycle will remove the dirt. And then from there, you're gonna feel how squeaky clean your hair actually feels, and it's gonna be so amazingly soft. Polish is by far the best daily conditioner out there because it acts like a little mini mask. So what that means is it's infused with microkeratin that will penetrate to the deepest layers of your hair to repair it from the inside out. It's formulated from organic sea kelp extract. It has cold pressed aloe vera juice, hydrolyzed oats, vitamin B5, a microkeratin complex, and coconut oil, and a whole bunch of other amazing goodness for your hair. So how you want to best use it is first you want to squeeze out all of the extra moisture in your hair because your hair is like a sponge, and if it's completely saturated with water, it can't take any of this goodness in. After it's just damp, you want to evenly coat it so that it's saturated from root to end. Let it sit on for 5 minutes because you need that goodness to be able to soak into your hair, and then you can rinse away and go style your hair like normal. And the reason why the microkeratin is important is because if your hair is really damaged, actually too much keratin would be too heavy and it would make your hair more brittle. So this is a very gentle and effective way of repairing your hair from the inside out.